Yeah, fair drinkum.
I'm currently adding 250 grams of dextrose. Now I'm adding my 1 kilo of the Ultimate Homebrews Brew Enhancer #2 equivalent, which is called Big Head Plus. So now I'm currently adding about 1.5 to 2 liters of hot, close to boiling water, mixing it around, obviously, till it's nice and dissolved in the hot water. Adding a little bit more water. Now I'm adding my liquid malt extract, which is Munton's Light LME, and I'm adding hot water into the tin to, loosen up the remnants in there. And now we, of course, stir it. Now I'm opening the Black Rock Pale Ale extract, pouring that in. It poured in very, very easily, which makes me think this is maybe recently put together in this tin, because, yeah, it was a dream to open that one. Now I'm adding my 1 liter of oat milk, which I made by straining about 1.5 kilos of oats through a sieve with hot water. Next, I'm adding 4 liters of East Coast orange juice. It is 100% orange juice. It is preservative free. So if you do add juice into your hazies, make sure that you are using 100% preservative free. Now I'm adding 10 liters of filtered water. Now I'm sanitizing and using 3 USO5 yeast packets, because there's going to be a lot of fermentable sugars in this, so I want to give it every chance to ferment down as much as I possibly can. Now we're closing the lid up, putting the airlock in, taking the original gravity, which it is at 1.072. Rightio. Thanks for watching, and tune in 14 to 15 days for the tasting review and how it turned out.